Hey guys, welcome to today's video, which is kind of like a vlog slash project video. It's definitely different than other things on my channel, but I'm in the process of reorganizing and slightly redesigning a section of our garage, which is also my studio. Really it has doubled as kind of storage for a really long time, but I really want it to be a much more creative space, and I also just want it to be way better organized to store all of my supplies for all of my projects. So I'm going to run into town and go to some stores to pick up some supplies that I need, such as different storage containers. That's like honestly the main thing. Tons of different storage containers, big tubs with lids, and then like baskets for shelves and different things like that. So I thought I would take you guys along with me to see what I find, so that you can kind of follow along on this fun project slash process. If you like interior design slash organizational stuff, I really don't even know how this project is going to turn out because I got this harebrained idea at 10 p.m. last night, but we're just gonna go for it and see what happens. Alright, first stop is Target to get organizational stuff, crates, baskets, all that stuff. I honestly always love Target's organizing stuff, and by like organizing stuff I literally mean just like plastic baskets and tubs, but they always have a lot to choose from and always at really great prices, and so that is what we are going to get here. Next up is one of my favorite places in the entire world, which is Goodwill. I'm just stopping by here not to really do like a crazy clothing thrift haul, but who knows, I'll probably get like on a rabbit trail and find something. But I'm really just looking for if there's any type of like little furniture type storage things that I could use. Like honestly, you find the randomest things at Goodwill, but sometimes you can find things that you honestly need for like present projects. So honestly I don't know what I'm looking for, but I'll know it if I see it. So So we are back. I just got back from running all of my errands and getting mostly everything that I needed. So next is just to like clear out the area, clean it, and start organizing everything. So we'll see how that goes. It's going to be super hot because obviously this is the garage and we're in Texas and it's super humid. So yeah, I'm about to change into something way more comfortable and cool for all that work. But before I change, I have to talk about this adorable shirt that I got. It is from the cutest small business. It's called Ink Thread Tees, I believe. Pretty sure that's what it's called, and this is just so cute. Totally 100% describes me. Introverted but willing to discuss period dramas, because let's be honest, that's the story of my life. If I'm not going to talk to you about books, I will very easily talk to you about shows, specifically period drama. So anyways, if you are a literary guru and want anything that is super fun and literary, t-shirt or other fun things, you can definitely check them out on Instagram. They're super fun and I just discovered them and absolutely love it. But anyways, off to get started on working. Alright, so this is the space before. This used to kind of be like our game room area, and now it became storage. And this side is my studio. It's super cluttered right now because I just brought in all the stuff for storage. So hopefully this will get all more organized. Yes, I know there is a kayak above my area. It's just part of life and we roll with it. but this is what I'm going to tackle. I really want to paint these walls and really like move a lot of this out. So alright, we are slowly but surely making progress. I did not realize how much stuff I needed to clear out before I could even start like the reorganizing phase. Like my entire car is full of things that we've been meaning to take to Goodwill and just haven't. So I have loaded all of those bags and boxes up into my car. I will show you it because I didn't realize we have been meaning to take this stuff for like 6 months. But anyways, the section of the garage that I'm wanting to reorganize and redo is looking pretty good. What I did not show is me clearing out and kind of reorganizing and combing through our shed, also to make room for things I need to store in there and get out of the garage. So yeah, it's been a whole like process, multiple hours in the heat, not even getting to the main part of this project yet. But anyways, you gotta start somewhere. So this is everything in my car that I am taking to Goodwill. It is so full and I'm so excited to get all of this out of our space and donate it to Goodwill. So there's that. Alright, this is the space all cleared out. Got a lot of stuff out of here. Still have to keep that bench press, unfortunately, but anyways, I am going to paint this area. Disregard, you know, antlers from deer. They're just going to be part of the decor, but this wall and this wall are going to get painted white to brighten the room, and then we're going to start organizing. Alright, so this wall and this wall are going to get painted white. Honestly, white is my favorite color to paint any room. I love it because it just gives it, kind of makes it like a fresh slate, and you honestly can do anything with the room. You can add any kind of decor, and I'm always really focused on making a room as bright as possible, always because I'm thinking about like taking pictures in there, and painting a room that is white really brightens it and allows you to have like a plain background to take pictures, which is definitely what I want for this. Fun fact, so obviously my studio is in the garage right over there. That's like my sewing table and everything, but this wall is one of the walls of my bedroom, and then this wall right here is the other wall. So when I was in high school, we added a bedroom into our house for me. So our garage kind of had like this nook, and we basically just built 2 walls, and you enter through the laundry room. It's kind of like a hidden room. I call it the Narnia room because you literally have to like park the clothes to like enter my room. It's super fun because it's hidden, but we added that in when I was in high school, and so honestly I already like have half of the garage because my bedroom's in here, but then I also have like all my sewing stuff. So anyways, we're just taking it over. But that's what happens when you still live at home to save money and you're really the only one at home because your brother and sister like are at college, and so yeah, you are allowed to like partly take over the garage. So anyways, we're gonna get started. I just finished painting the walls. They look amazing. This is why I love using white paint. Seriously, my best tip if you want to redo any space is to paint it white. It literally changes the entire space so much, and there's so much you can do with it. Definitely have paint like in my hair, all over my face, and my clothes obviously, but that's just part of it. I am one of those people who just is super messy whenever I'm being creative. That's okay, we just roll with it and go. So I'm waiting for this to dry, and in the meantime I'm going to start kind of organizing things. I also think that I am going to spray paint like the edges of this white. Obviously I would love to paint this whole thing or spray paint this whole thing white at some point, but right now because of the things that are on it I can't really move it, so I'm just going to spray paint parts of it so that it doesn't stand out so much from the white wall. it is day 3-ish of intermittently working on redesigning this space in the garage. I didn't film anything yesterday, but it was really just like all about organization. The main parts of this space are done. I have a few finishing touches to finish up, and then it's time to film the reveal and show you guys how I transformed this corner of our garage that was basically used for storage into a creative corner and photography studio. Alright, that is a wrap on my garage redesign project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing the behind the scenes and everything that went into this. It was a super fun project and I'm really glad he did it. It was my crazy 10 o'clock at night idea that I just dove into the next day, but it was highly needed and I'm so glad to have this space now for creative projects and for doing photography, everything like that. It's just absolutely perfect, and now I really do basically have like the entire garage except for like one small corner. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw or you were inspired, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on any new videos or projects in the future. You can also find me on all of the social medias like Instagram and Twitter, and if you want behind the scenes videos or other DIY projects, you can also find me on TikTok. Until next time.